Hello everyone, welcome to Grandmasters. I am Harshita Alveli. Today we have Prashant with us who is from Solapur, Maharashtra and he got placed in TCS recently. He is here to share his experience with us. Let's talk to him and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. Hi Prashant,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about?
I'm super Prashant. I'm doing really good and I would like to congratulate you for getting placed in TCS Prashant. We are very happy for you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your wishes.
And yeah, could you tell more about yourself, Prashant, your college, your branch, and all?
Yes, ma'am. My full name is Prashant Jagannath Jalgiri, and I'm learning at Swiss College of Engineering, Pandharpur, in the final year of BTech Computer Science and Engineering. And I'm having the knowledge about programming languages also. And I had started the learning at Quantum Master, and I got the lots of about the aptitude and technical things. The Human sir and Shashank sir taught us lots of things, and we could develop our skills more on aptitude and technical skills there itself.
Okay, and also could you tell the job role and the package you are selected for in TCS, Prashant?
Yes, ma'am. I have been selected for the assistant system engineer role in Tata Consultancy Services Limited, and the packages of Ninja role.
Could you repeat it, Prashant? I couldn't hear.
Yes, ma'am. I have been selected for the assistant system engineer role in the Tata Consultancy Services Limited, and the package is 3.36 LPM.
3.36 lakhs per annum. Super, super. Okay, so ready to share your experience with us, Prashant?
Yes, ma'am.
So was this an on-campus or an off-campus interview, Prashant?
It was an off-campus interview.
On-campus interview. Okay, so how many rounds were conducted?
Yeah, during the interview, there were two rounds, and in the first round, the technical and the MR round, it was together, and there was a separate round for HR.
Okay, let's talk about every round in detail. Tell us about the first round, Prashant. When did it happen? When was the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
round conducted?
Yes. I received mail on 2nd of November for the TR round, and it was scheduled on 3rd November. So it was at afternoon only, and
So that was the first round. The TR round was the first round, is it?
yes, ma'am.
There was no written test conducted?
Yes, assessment was also there. It was on 12th September.
Okay, please tell us about it also, no?
Yes, ma'am. The assessment was scheduled on 12th September, and there were four sections during the assessment. The first one was related with the numerical ability, and there were 26 questions having the time limit of 40 minutes. And specifically, there was the time limit for each and every question. So it was difficult to solve or attempt each question, and the difficulty level was moderate. So I could attempt near about 18 to 19 question in the numerical ability section.
So
And this,
every question had separate time, like 1 minute or 1.5 minutes in that way.
yes, ma'am, it was like that.
Okay, so why didn't, so you could attempt only 18. Why is it so? The other questions also you could attempt, but you couldn't answer. You mean that way, right?
That means I could not manage with the time limit. Means I was able to solve those questions.
You are not able to solve.
I was able to solve, but during that time limit, it was I was not able to
manage.
solve.
But you told every question had separate time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why didn't you attempt the other questions?
Means I before solving only the time limit was getting over. Like
Okay. Please continue.
yes, ma'am.
Then what about the logical section, Prashant?
Yes, ma'am. We can say it was easier one, and there were 30 questions having the time limit of 50 minutes, and it was a very easy section, I can say, and I could solve each and every question.
Okay. Questions from what topics were asked, Prashant?
The questions were from the basic topics. Those are related with the logical reasoning, like sitting arrangement, blood relations, probability, and syllogism, like.
Okay. Then the third section.
Then third section was about verbal ability, and it was also again the easy section. And there were 24 questions having the time limit of 30 minutes. And also there were two passages and other questions related with the parajumbles, voice, direct, indirect, error detection, like.
So these questions were easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, but then what about the last section?
Yes, ma'am. The last section was related with the hands-on coding, and there also two subsections were there. And the first was hands-on coding one, and uh, there were 10 questions having the time limit of 15 minutes. Again, it was also easier one, exception about one two question, but others were easier. And the questions was from the topic like looping and pseudocode was also there. Again, data structure related question were also there.
Okay. So this was about the first round, the written test. When did it
Yes.
happen? Do you remember the date, Prashant?
Yes, ma'am. It was on 12th of September.
12th of September. Then when did you get to know that you have cleared the first round?
I received a mail that I have been shortlisted on the 29th of September.
Oh, so after 20 days, around 20 days, you got to know that you have cleared the first round and shortlisted for the next round. When did the second round happen?
Then the second round was on, that was the interview round, and it was held on the 3rd of November.
3rd of November, the technical interview happened.
Yes, ma'am. It was.
Yeah, please tell us about the technical interview, Prashant.
Yes, ma'am. It was an awesome experience for me because I was appearing for the first interview, and the interviewer was a very good person, and he was talking me very frankly. He started asking me the question related with the database, and the first question was, "Do you know about the join operation?" And I answered that question very well. Again, he took me in that way only, and he asked me about the difference in the left outer join and full outer join. So I explained that also, and after that he explained, he questioned me about the Venn diagram. So I could answer that also. After that, he turned towards my project related question, and I explained my project in very well manner. And he asked me to which language are you more comfortable. So I told to sir that I am comfortable at Python. So he asked me about what what rating will you do yourself in Python. So I told to sir that I will rate myself as 4.5 out of 5. And after that, he asked some question from Tamil background also, and that was about the technical interview.
Okay, so what was the duration of this round?
The duration of this round near about 18 to 20 minutes.
Around 20 minutes. Okay,
Yeah.
super, super. So yeah, this happened on 3rd November. Then when did you
Third.
get to know that you have cleared the first round? I mean the technical interview.
Yes, ma'am. On the next day only, on the 4th November, I received the mail for the HR interview, and it was held on 5th of November.
So then when was the final round? That is the HR round, if I'm not
Yes.
wrong. When was it
Yes.
conducted?
It was conducted on 5th November itself,
Okay.
and it was continued for 5 to 7 minutes. And
Mhm.
there were basic questions only. The first was the basic introduce yourself, and after that, do you know about the agreement, and do you have any backlog? Do you have any educational gap? And talking about family background and the short-term and long-term goal also.
Okay, so it was quite simple. Nothing
Yes, ma'am.
complicated was asked in the HR
Yes.
interview. It was just
Yes,
a
ma'am.
formality.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Okay, then when did you get to know the final results?
Yes, I received the mail about the selection on the 12th of November.
Okay, after a week, around a week, you got to know that you have
Around-
cleared all the rounds and selected for the TCS.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
super. So that was the entire journey.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Prashant, who are trying to get placed in TCS or
Yes,
any other
ma'am.
company maybe?
Yes, ma'am. I can say that joining the Quantum Master was the great and lucky experience for me because after joining, I could get the solution for each and every aptitude related problems and technical related problems also. And the sir were teaching and guiding us individually. So it was great to know about each and every section and every types of problems during the learning process.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I was about to ask how was your journey with Grandmasters, Prashant, but you already told it. We are happy that we could help you and get pleased.
Yes, ma'am. We are also enough lucky to have the faculty members like yours around us.
Okay. And one last question, Prashant. Would you suggest Grandmasters to your friends and juniors?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, no doubt about that. Because whatever the experience that I have achieved from the learning process with the Quantum Masters, that is really the valuable one, and I will suggest and recommend each and every my colleague to get connected with the Quantum Masters.
Thank you so much, Prashant. And also, thanks for being here, sharing all the information with us, Prashant. You know, right, how many students out there are trying so hard to get placed in pieces. I'm sure your experience will definitely help them.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Thank you.
Congratulations once again and all the very best, Prashant.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.